What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the videos. Today we are going on another drive with a different group of people. This is a good group of people, so I've heard. So let's get going. Cold start, valves open. So while I'm here on the highway, I want to just point out something. I've done over 1,000 miles since I put this exhaust on in 2 weeks. And before, I'd maybe do 1,000 miles in a month and a half. So I've been enjoying this new exhaust. Anyways, we are about 5 minutes out. So yeah, I'll pick it up when we get there. I'm gonna assume this group of cool cars is probably the right spot. Out we go. Okay, so we got a ZL1, ND Miata, Cayenne Turbo, my car, GT, and another Mini, GTI, WRX.
This is going fun. Do we have any questions? Radio channel? Radio channel is going to be 062662. Okay, it's the same one. Yes. Oh, who's trying the new radio antenna?
Oh geez, here we go. I've dropped the radio immediately. What?
What channel is that?
5.
5.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I found a faster SUV and it's behind.
Okay, cars that we now have that I didn't realize were part of the group or that showed up late. We have a white Mustang, we have a Honda Fit, there is a Toyota MR2, a Civic Type R, words are hard, and a old Civic, I don't know what type, and Boxer, I think, or 911, one of the two. We actually got a decent group. Like, this is pretty nice. I might film, I might not. We'll see. Yep, we're in Colorado. Crazy, beautiful canyon views every single day of the week. I love this state. Also, we've done a lot of order switch-ups because reasons. I don't know why. We've been on the highway, so we've just been changing orders. Tunnel time! Nothing really interesting. None of us have loud enough cars. Take that back. That MR2 back there was ripping it. My car's not loud enough. Okay, there's some radio chatter about M8 sitting on this this transporter. Oh, yep, there it is. Well, that's pretty. That's real pretty. That's real pretty. I want that. M850i? Yes, please. I get past this guy a little bit more. First slide in. Ah. We're getting set up for a crazy beautiful photo up here. Look out there. That view. Dang, Toyota. Views. And views. Both directions. My car. Good.
I know it.
Kind of want to take my car over here where we've got this absolutely insane view. I do know I'm coming up here again for this view for sure. It's gone. He's still in the car. This right here. Look at that view. Look at that. Come over here. Boom. Boom. Yes. Going somewhere up there.
Isn't there one in Mike Ward's like 30 grand right now? No, we're over here, guys. Whoa!
So cool.
So cool. Oh, that's better.
Is it almost dead?
No, that was.
That would have sucked. Cool.
We head down and back up. Back down to Winter Park.
Cool. The coolest thing ever is just the rollout. Oh, I should probably put it in sport mode. Oh. Gotta shift. Okay. And we're finally going again. Let's go.
What's the first problem then? Honestly, I'm waiting for curling really hard right now. It's way cheaper than going to buy an Aspen or something. Yeah, cause like I really feel like you should have like handed it to me on that one, but I think being so high, you just I'm probably down to 100 horsepower up there, you know. This car with an extra 100 turbocharged horsepower is just so good. Yeah, I'm probably down to stock or somewhere around there.
Okay.
Oh, by the way, we got a Karen back there holding up the group. So, so we got a Karen in front of us too.
Yes. Thank you. It's a Subaru. It's a Subaru. I freaking hate Subaru drivers more than any other driver in the world. Not Subaru WRXs, just freaking Subaru Foresters and Subaru Outbacks. They don't know how to drive. Also, this magnetic gray GT has decided to strip all of the paint from the front of my car. Entire, oh, look at that view. Look at that. There is no paint left on the front of my car though. I'm gonna let them finish. Anyways, shut up!
I'm sure that Statter Shaw or whatever would find it somehow different than all of us.
Shut up!
I don't know.
Anyways, the group has been split in half by a van. I hate vans. Okay, hey, finally some peace and quiet. There you can see the rest of them way up there. Gone. Because we have a van. He's not getting over. Yeah. On the plus side, the other Mini's behind me. Focus, focus, focus. There you go. There's the other Mini. And I can stare at that ass this entire time.
Hey, we're going to Tommy Doctor, right? Correct. It's not coming from those fellas.
Okay, we are in Idaho Springs now for a bite to eat. Keep getting interrupted! That was nice. We're in Idaho Springs for a bite to eat. Hummingbird. They're stopping for Tommy Knockers. I don't think I'm gonna stay.
Shocked to see how good. Sorry about that. I got distracted over there.
No, that's fine. Yep.
It's good to have you. Love a tight bar.
See you guys.
Thanks, man.
See ya.
I'm heading out too, so I'm gonna stick with you.
Okay.
Yep. Leaving Idaho Springs, I'm lost. I've never driven through Idaho Springs because I'm never down here or up here, so I'm lost. We're taking the scenic route back to I-70. There's no signs anywhere. I recognize this Safeway, and my friends recognize this Safeway. I didn't ever post the video, but my friends and I came up here to go snowboarding. We were gonna go all the way up to Loveland, which is about 50 miles past where we went. Yeah, maybe 30. We were gonna go all the way up to Loveland, and then there was a rock slide on I-70, and it shut down I-70 entirely. So we came up here, my arms are okay. We came up here, waited for about half an hour, or maybe an hour to let things, to see if they could clear it. Went to the bathroom there, I bought a singular apple, because I was hungry. Then we left, and then we went down the mountain. Pulled in behind the same Mustang. That was awesome. I've also stumbled across the punk R we were on the drive with. He and I were supposed to be leaving together, and then he took a different exit from Idaho Springs. So, it's funny, I finally found him again. Made it home. On the front here, bugs. Lots and lots of bugs. It's time for another wash, even though I literally washed it 2 days ago. Oh well. I'm gonna pull it into the garage after I gotta move some of my stuff because for some reason it got moved. Squeaking is new. Okay. Here you can kind of see the brake disc a bit better. Bugs. Gross bugs. We don't like. Yuck. Yuck. Okay, that was an awesome cruise with an awesome group of people. I want to do more with them, but I wasn't able to stay for dinner because I had to get home because it's dark out. My question for you guys today is, what's your driving music? What music do you listen to when you go on spirited drives? Drop your answer in the comments below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.